Naniniwala si Senador Gregorio Honasan na ang suspensyon ni Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia ay dapat sagutin sa korte sa halip na sa pamamagitan ng publisidad. Inihag ito ng Senador ng pagtalakay sa panukalang pagsasabatas ng Freedom of Information Bill. Nagbabalik si Vicky De Guzman ng PTV Davao.
Dumating ang chairman of the Senate Committee on Public Information na si Senator Gregorio Gringo Honasan sa ika-25 taon ng press conference na kapihan sa Philippine Information Agency sa Davao City. Dito na pag-usapan ng mga kaukulan sa Freedom of Information Bill o FOI Bill. Sabi niya, sana hindi maging biktima ng technicality ang pagpapasabatas nito.
At we call this the People's Ownership of Government Information Bill, no? But in the House, without passing judgment on their internal affairs, no? I think they still have some issues to resolve. But I hope this will not be the victim again. Our FOI or POGI bill will not be a victim of a technicality like quorum. Naalala ninyo during the 14th Congress, the reason given for its non-passage was lack of a quorum.
May pahayag naman din siya sa pagkakasuspende ng Cebu Governor na si Gwen Garcia. Sabi niya hindi umano ito mareresolba sa pamamagitan kung hindi sa pamamagitan ng court ruling.
Because itong tatlo, si Vice President Binay, si former President Erap at si Senate President Enrile, they went through the same painful experience, no, on a similar issue. So I think they were there to give moral support to Governor Gwen and to call for sobriety and the rule of law and due process.
Samantala ay giniit naman niya ang kahalagahan ng land use policy na isama ng sustainable long-term land use planning.
Walang interesado dyan. Well, very boring yan pag hindi ka tinamaan. Pero pag naging biktima ka, hindi yan boring. What does the land use policy mean? No? It means that the primary objective through sustainable long-term land use planning is to keep people, lives, and property out of harm's way. Kailangan through long-term serious policy planning, malaman na natin kung ano ang gusto nating lupa for residential, agricultural, industrial, commercial, government centers, recreational centers.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Vicky De Guzman.